Hello students, welcome to Time YouTube channel. For today's session, the topic is trigonometry for SSC CGL exam. Before going to this, please subscribe our YouTube channel, Time for Bank Exams. If already subscribed, please click on the bell icon. The first question in the trigonometry is, if 48 degrees plus k is an acute angle and sine of 48 degrees plus k equal to cos 13 degrees, what is the value of k in degrees? Say this, sine 48 degrees plus k, sine 48 degrees plus k equal to cos 13 degrees is given, cos 13 degrees. See, can I write this cos 13 degrees as like, cos 13 degrees is nothing but sine. In terms of sine, how can you write this? Is it 77? Yes or no? Otherwise, say this one. Cos 90 minus, is it 77? Yes or no? Yes. So cos 90 minus 7. But sine and cos, this one complementary angles, na? Yes, no. Cos 90 minus theta, sine theta. So how can I write this? Sine 77. Then say this, sine of 48 plus k is equal to this. What is the value of this 48 plus k? 48 plus k is equal to 77. Then k is equal to 77 minus 48. So 9, this is 2. So k is equal to, what is the value of k? 29 degrees. K value is 29 degrees. So which is third option. Simple thing. Sine of 48 plus k is equal to cos 13 is given. Cos 13, how can I write in terms of sine? Sine 77. So just equate these two angles, you will get the value of k. Let us move to the second question. Sine square theta plus 6 cos square theta equal to 7. But theta lies in between 0 and 90. Then find the value of tan theta. 10 sine square theta plus 6 cos square theta equal to 7. Then find the value of tan theta. See, one of the method is sine square write in terms of cos square or cos square write in terms of sine square. Find out any one single function value. After getting that, you can find out tan theta. Or if you want to know directly tan theta from this, do one thing. Divide on both sides. Dividing by cos square theta. Dividing by cos square theta. Then what do you tell me? 10 sin square theta by cos square theta. Is it 10 tan square theta? 10 times of tan square theta. 6 cos square theta by cos square theta. Nothing but 6. This is 7 by cos square theta. Nothing but what? 7 times of secant square theta. 1 by cos square is secant square theta. In terms of tan, how do you write secant square theta? Secant square theta can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. Directly I wrote that. Yeah. 10 times of tan square theta plus 6 is equal to that. Then 10 tan square theta minus 7 tan square theta. That is nothing but 3 times of tan square theta. This is 7 minus 6 is 1. Tan square theta equal to 1 by 3. From this, what is tan theta? 1 by root 3, of course, plus or minus. But what is said about theta? Theta is acute. Theta lies in between 0 and 90. So in the first quadrant, nothing but. In the first quadrant, all are positive. That's what we will take. Positive. So that means, what is the value of tan theta? Tan theta value is nothing but 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3, which is fourth option. Fourth option is the right one. Okay. Then say this. Find the value of the following expression. Root over 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. root over 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. Just I am going to multiplying and dividing with 1 plus sin theta. 1 plus sin theta. Then what do you get the numerator? Root over 1 plus sin, 1 plus sin, 1 plus sin whole square. 1 plus sin whole square means the square and root will be cancelled. Actually, you get like numerator is nothing but 1 plus sin theta whole square. What about the denominator? 1 minus sin into 1 plus sin, like a minus b into a plus b. 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta nothing but cos square theta. Cos square theta. The root is for whole. So I am taking separately. Yeah. The numerator what do you get? 1 plus sin theta. Square and square root cancels. 1 plus sin by root. Root cos square theta nothing but simply cos theta. Then do one thing. Just separate it. Separate it like once this 1 by cos theta nothing but secant theta. Once this one sin theta by cos theta. So nothing but tan theta. After getting that, a plus b by c nothing but a by c plus b by c. 1 by cos is secant, sin by cos is nothing but tan. Secant theta plus tan theta, which is second option. Next question is, cos a plus cos square a equal to 1. Then sin square a plus sin to the power of 4a is equal to cos a plus cos square a equal to 1. Just I am taking that cos square to the other side. Yeah, cos square theta other side. 1 minus cos square a nothing but sin square a. This is cos a. Cos a equal to 1, sorry, sin square a. But once you observe that required expression, sin square a plus sin to the power of 4 is asking. How do you get that 4? Again squaring on both sides. Squaring. Then sin square a whole square nothing but sin to the power of 4. Left side what do you get? Cos square a. Cos square a. Cos square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a. According to the required one, cos square a is nothing but 1 minus sin square a equal to sin to the power of 4a. Yeah, you got this sin to the power of 4a plus sin square a. Sin to the power of 4a plus sin square a. What is left on this left side? Only 1 is left. That's what sin to the power of 4a plus sin square a value is 1. So that is first option. Now see this. Sin 58 by cos 32. Can I write sin 58 as cos 32? Yes or no? Complementary angles. 58 plus 32. 90 only na? Or cos 32 can be written as cos 90 minus 58, which is sin 58 only na? That's what. In place of sin 58, we can write cos 32. In the same way, in place of cos 62, what you can write? Tell me. Complementary angles, nothing but those two angles together should be 90. Cos 62, how can you write? Is it sin 28, yes or no? Yes. Because these two together is 90 degrees. Now come to this then. 3 sin 58. Sin 58 can be written as cos 32. By, don't disturb the denominator. 5 times of cos 32. Plus 2 times of cos 62 can be written as sin 28. By 5 times of sin 28. Change any one, either numerator or denominator. Don't change both. Again, we'll come back to the question, right? Okay. Cos 32, cos 32 cancel. This is 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5. So, which is 5 by 5? Answer is no 1. Simple. Now, move to the next question. Tan 4 theta into tan 6 theta. Tan 4 theta into tan 6 theta equal to 1. It's very clear. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1, where A plus B is 90 degrees. Tan A into tan B is equal to 1, where A plus B is 90 degrees. That means these two together is 90. 4 theta plus 6 theta is equal to 90. 10 times of theta is equal to 90. What is theta value? 90 by 10, nothing but 9 degrees. Theta equal 9 degrees. But what is the question now? Then find the value of cot phi theta. Cot phi theta, 5 into 9. So which is cot 45 degrees. What is cot 45 degrees? Answer is 1. So that is third option. Cot 45 is 1. Next, the maximum value of 2 sin theta plus 3 cos theta. Say this. Wherever the given expression is like a sin theta plus b cos theta plus c. The expression is like, what is the minimum and maximum value of this? How do you calculate this? C plus or minus root over a square plus b square. C plus or minus root over a square plus b square for maximum or minimum. Maximum is plus, minimum is minus. But here he is asking that maximum value. Maximum equal to C plus root over a square plus b square. C means constant. Is there any constant in that? Sin term, cos term is there. Constant is no. 0. Root over a square plus b square. 2 square plus 3 square. 9 plus 4 is 13. So which is root 13. What is the maximum value of this? Root 13. Minimum if he asks, minus root 13. If he asks the range, both you have to write in the closed interval. Minus root 13, comma root 13 with closed interval. That is called as range. But here is asking only the maximum value. So which is root 13. That is option 4. Now say this. M equal to a secant theta and y a secant a, y equal to b tan a, then find the value of b square m square minus a square y square plus a square y square by b square m square plus cos square a. Once you observe the options, there is no m and okay, the options are with only a b's. M equal to a secant theta and y is equal to b tan a. That means in the options m and y are not there. Okay, b square m square. I am writing b as it is b square. But in place of m square, what I can write? M means nothing but a secant a, na? A square secant square a minus a square, leave it. In place of y square, what you can write? B square tan square a plus a square y square, a square y square nothing but again b square tan square a by b square m square. That means just I am changing only y and m values, that's it. M square nothing but a square secant square a square secant square a plus cos square a. Now observe this. From these two terms, can I take a square b square common? Yes. What is left now? Secant square a minus tan square a. Secant square a minus tan square a plus a square b square cancelled. Tan square is sin square by cos square. Sin square by cos square. Secant square is 1 by cos square. Sin square by cos square by 1 by cos square. Cos square cancel, which are in the denominator. What will be left? Only sin square a plus cos square a. So what you can observe now? A square b square into 1 plus that sin square plus cos square a is 1. So answer is now 1 plus a square b square or a square b square plus 1, which is third option. Now see this. 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 equal to 0. Where theta lies in between 0 and 90, then the value of theta is asking, right? 2 sin square theta plus 3 sin theta minus 2 equal to 0. This is like a quadratic equation in terms of sine. There is single function. There is a single function. Sin theta only is there. If any other function is there, that both are to be converted into single function. So this is like a quadratic equation in terms of sine. Let us split this like the factorization. 2 sin square theta. 2 to the 4. 4 and 1 difference is 3 only, na? That's what This 3 sin theta can be written as 4 sin theta minus sin theta minus 2 equal to 0. Like a quadratic equation. Solving quadratic equation using factorization, splitting the middle term. From both these first two terms, you can take 2 sin theta common. 2 sin theta is common. So what will be left in the first term then? After taking 2 sin theta common, sin theta plus, is it 2? Yes. Minus. 1 you can take common from this. Nothing common means 1 is common. Sin theta plus 2 equal to 0. So nothing but what are the factors now? That means once again we are taking sin theta plus 2 common. Then in the first term 2 sin theta is left. The second one minus 1 is left equal to 0. That means sin theta plus 2 equal to 0 means what? Sin theta equal to minus 2, which is not possible. 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Then sin theta is equal to, is it 1 by 2? Yes. Sin theta minimum value is minus 1, maximum value is 1. It never be minus 2, no choice. Sin theta equal to 1 by 2. For what value of theta sin is 1 by 2? Sin 30, yes or no? Sin 30 is 1 by 2, 30 degrees. So, which is third option? Theta is equal to 30 degrees. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. That's what theta equal to 30 degrees is answer. So, these are the questions from the trigonometry are given for SSC. And so, join or subscribe or T.I.M.E YouTube channel, Time for Bank Exams. For all these exams, bank, SSC, CGL, insurance, railway and other related exams. Our Telegram channel link is given here. And so our YouTube channel is www.youtube.com, Time for Bank Exams. Okay. So all these are given. For classroom coaching, just contact your nearest T.I.M.E center. For online courses, you can go through this timefor.info.bankexamsonline. Thank you.